Hi everyone, welcome back to Asuka method. Today's session is Sacred Shrine from our warming up series, designed to relieve your neck, shoulders and back and to correct your posture. This sitting version is good for people who have some issues with knees or wrists. Let's begin by taking a deep breath. We start with this sitting position. If you don't feel comfortable, you can also stretch the legs a little bit more. Feel the lengthening of the spine, and we start making the curve and the arch with our spine. Keep listening to your body, keep listening to your breathing, and please do with your own speed. Then we start bending sideways. Feel the lengthening of the spine and keep the shoulders open. And continue to the other side. Feel the long neck. And make sure that your both sitting bones are on the ground. Stretch the legs forward. If you can, grab your toes. If you feel uncomfortable with this, you don't need to, but try to feel the lengthening of the spine and also the stretch of the sacrum. If you're very flexible, you can bend forward like this. Otherwise, you stay a little bit more up and just try to feel the lengthening. Slowly we roll up and bend the knees and stretch the spine, and we start making the circle. Continue to the other side. And now extend one arm to the side and grab grab with the other arm to stretch the shoulders. And switch to this position. You can feel the stretch where I'm touching now. And switch to the other side. And we still keep the long spine. And keep listening to the breathing as well. And switch. The chin in, and we make the arch with the spine and make the curve. You might feel it's a bit too complicated. The whole point is that we try to feel the connection of the whole spine. We reverse. And keep relaxing your neck too. And I hope your spine is now warm.